so today's video is going to be quick. I wanted to show you my weigh-in that I am down 3 pounds, which is good for 1 week, and I will tell you that I've been doing it pretty good. I have not hit the gym all 5 days, so there's that. And then I also had these things, okay? I had these twice, okay, and these things are terrible. They're nothing but sugar and empty calories of nothingness, so don't ever eat them. But I'm just telling you that I have these so that you know that I'm not perfect. I messed up twice this week and didn't make the gym every day, and I still lost 3 pounds because I did almost everything right. So I was going to show you basic meal prep for this next week. So I've got these from Amazon, and I will link them below. But it's basically just meal prep trays. I think they came with 14. That way if you and your partner want to do it, it's 7 days. Or you can do 7 breakfasts, 7 lunches, whatever. It depends on your work schedule. And then they come with these lids. So, and they were inexpensive too. I also saw something similar at Walmart, but I don't know if they're the exact things because I got these on Amazon. So anyway, so I put these vegetables on a pizza tray. You can put foil down on a sheet pan or however you want to do it, but I like my round pizza tray and some parchment paper, okay? So I've got squash, 2 different kinds of squash. I've got broccoli. I've got those little peppers that I love I was telling you about. And, you know, I've got sweet potatoes because you can actually have sweet potatoes on this diet. And sweet potatoes are good if you want a little sweet kick. You can mash them up with some honey and get a little bit of like a sweet, creamy taste. So I've got these to last me the week. And then I've got some asparagus, and I've got some more in the fridge. I only make this for a couple days at a time because it'll get chewy and gross, but I like to at least have a couple of days worth. And then the chicken that I put in mine, I actually get the ready-made roasted chicken from Brookshire's or Walmart or Kroger or whatever store you shop at. It saves a lot of time. Although I will say that this time I did go ahead and get some chicken that I'm going to prepare. I just haven't yet. But right now it's just quick and easy to show you with the chicken, off the roasted chicken. And then I made a little side salad, and then I boiled a lot of eggs. Remember I told you you need the protein, and you're gonna need eggs, especially in the morning and especially if you work. Having boiled eggs is gonna save you from eating the office donut or grabbing something in a drive-thru on the way because you know you need to feed yourself, but you have to make a bad choice, and so that'll save you. I also made these fruit bags. So this is just blueberries and strawberries. I also like to eat chopped apples, but I did not put apples in these bags because I hate it when they get brown and yucky. If I want an apple during the day, I'm just going to cut it up and eat it with almond butter because almond butter makes apples taste so good. So fruit for snacks throughout the day. And another idea is when you get sick of chicken, which you can tend to do on this diet, I did hamburger meat. Got a little spinach in my egg, but what I do with the hamburger meat is I season it kind of the same kinds of seasoning that you would find in a taco packet, but without all of the sodium and all of the extra salt and everything, or any kind of flavoring you like really. And then you can do kind of almost like a breadless taco. It's almost like a taco salad. And I'll tell you what I put in it. I like avocado. Here's what I use. And I showed you these last week. And you can put black olives. Just put as many things as you like on your tacos. Now, you're not supposed to have cheese, but cheese is low to 0 carb. And this diet is kind of a low carb diet. So if you're going to cheat, cheese is the way I would do it. But I'm not telling you to eat cheese because for the record, cheese is not part of the paleo plan, but if you are just trying to use the paleo as like a baseline and kind of still live the way you're going to live realistically, and you know that you're not going to give cheese up, then okay, I'm off on my rant about that. But basically, guacamole, whatever you put that makes it taste like a taco. I like black olives in mine. Everyone's different. And then I have nuts, and you might want to put these, I ran out of Ziplocs, but I would also put these in Ziplocs too, because they also have calories in them, and you want to do the small little palm-sized portion is what I do, because honestly, it's easy to overeat if you just think, well, I can have these on paleo. It's real easy to quickly eat 1,900 of these. So, put them in a little bag for a snack-sized portion. Make vegetables and protein. Vegetables, protein. Start thinking of every vegetable you like and go purchase it. And start thinking of every protein you like. Some other ideas if you get so sick of chicken. I went and got low sodium bacon, and I got this to put, I'm making BLT salads. So basically it's the romaine lettuce with big chunks of tomato and then bacon. So it's like a BLT but deconstructed. And then I found this salmon, and it was seasoned. It looked pretty good, and it was a really reasonable price. So I got that. And that's just to switch it up because you get really bored with chicken. I mean, you make chicken every kind of way you can and you're like, I'm done with chicken. But to keep it to where you don't get super sick of chicken, switching it up has helped me. Okay? So, I can't wait to hear your weigh-in, because those of you who are doing this or any plan, it doesn't have to be paleo. If you're doing any kind of diet plan and exercise plan, please follow along with me, and when I weigh in, put your weigh-ins below in the comments so we can support each other and congratulate one another, and also so we can pick each other up when maybe we gained a pound that week, or you know, maybe you cheated a lot that week and you need some encouragement. That's what this is for. Please comment below. If you have any questions about these meal plans, ask. And if you have a meal plan to share, please share it. Because I get sick of these same things too, and I want to hear your unique ideas, especially those of you who have written to me, whether it be on Instagram or email, and said to me, I've lost this many pounds doing this. I want to know about it, even if it's not paleo. Because paleo is not the first plan I've been on, okay, and it probably won't be the last, so I'm interested to hear, okay? All right, I will quit rambling for now. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next week. All right, bye.